Versatile, dependable, lethal. These words describe the multi-mission Blackhawk of the 1990s. The armed Blackhawk is the latest in a series of H-60 variants which have evolved from the highly successful assault transport developed to carry the U.S. Army's basic tactical unit, the 11-man infantry squad. The Blackhawk can operate as an autonomous Hellfire platform, offering anti-armor, close air support, and aerial rocket artillery missions beyond the capabilities of any dedicated attack helicopter. Unlike dedicated attack machines, the armed Blackhawk utilizes its internal load capability to permit troop and cargo transport in conjunction with attack operations, without compromise to firepower, speed, or agility. The Blackhawk's firepower and 9,000-pound external cargo lift capability enable it to conduct forward area resupply missions in hostile environments. Provisioned with both air-to-air Stinger and Hellfire anti-tank missiles, the armed Blackhawk is capable of providing local air defense and anti-armor capabilities during resupply operations. Configured with the combination of Hellfire missiles and 70mm air-to-ground rockets, the armed Blackhawk is ideally suited to advanced anti-armor and scout roles. It can lead hunter-killer packs to locate and destroy armor or mechanized infantry, and insert covert ground laser designator, GLID teams, to identify and designate targets. From standoff positions as far as 6 kilometers from hostile armor, the armed Blackhawk, provisioned with Mark 66 rockets with multi-purpose submunition warheads, can scatter up to 684 high-explosive grenades over a large target zone. Under such a firestorm, tanks are forced to close their hatches. Their visibility denied, they become easy prey for the waiting armed Blackhawk hunter-killer pack, which self-designates or makes use of target information supplied by the GLID team. For sheer firepower in the aerial rocket artillery role, the Blackhawk stands alone. A single armed Blackhawk can deliver 152 70mm rockets, half a ton of ordnance. In close ground support operations, the armed Blackhawk can carry 4 19-tube 70mm rocket launchers, 2 20mm GPU-2A cannons, and 2 fixed-forward GCal-50 machine guns, more ordnance than the Apache. The armed Blackhawk offers ground commanders more flexibility and destructive capability than any attack helicopter flying today. Combining its high payload capability and endurance, the armed Blackhawk is ideally suited to long-range interdiction missions using high-performance, smart weapons. The Blackhawk can carry 4 AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles with 300-pound warheads, or combinations of Maverick and air-to-air Stinger missiles, where self-defense against hostile aircraft is required. The Maverick provides twice the standoff range and 6 times the lethality of existing guided weapons found on today's attacked helicopters. Combat assault, transport, weapons delivery. These are just a few of the missions the Blackhawk of the 1990s will accomplish. Designed to fight, to survive, and to fight again, in any terrain, in any climate. The Blackhawk provides the flexibility and superior performance required by today's military forces.